Good day everyone, this is Isobs and this is our problem number 4 para sa normal stresses. So, a rod is composed of an aluminum section rigidly attached between steel and bronze sections. Axial loads are applied at the positions indicated. If P is equal to 3,000 pounds, so that is our given. P is equal to 3,000 pounds and the cross-sectional area of the rod is 0.5 inches squared. So, area natin is 0.5 inches squared. Determine the stress in each section. So, ang required natin dito ay yung stress in each section which is the sigma steel, sigma aluminum, tapos stress sa bronze. So, isa-isahin natin siya. Pero first of all, since attached sila sa ano, sa wall is may tatlong support sections dito, ay support forces dito which is the horizontal, the vertical, and the moment. Pero yung moment is i-disregard lang natin siya muna kasi hindi naman kailangan. Then yung ano naman is yung vertical is wala tayong other vertical forces than the vertical forces here. So that will just be zero. So wag na natin isulat. So let's assume this point as D. So this is our dx. So from that, we can add forces along the x-axis 0 positive to the right. So negative 4p plus p, which is this one, then negative dx is equal to 0. Lipat natin to sa right side, that would be dx is equal to negative 4p plus p, which is negative 3p. So, since negative ito, meaning, ibig sabihin, mali yung assumption natin na to the left yung dx natin. So, gawin natin is, papunta na to sa right. Then, dx natin would be 3p. So yan, na-complete na natin yung forces na nag-a-act sa rod. So, isa-isahin natin for steel. Simula tayo sa steel. Draw natin yung section niya. This is our steel. So, add natin sa left, start tayo sa left forces. So, yung forces na nasa left is just 4p. So, that is 4p to the left. Then, p plus 3p, that is 4p din to the right. So, meron tayong applied force sa steel na 4p tension. So, alam natin na P is equal to 3,000 pounds, which is given. So, 4 times 3,000, that is 12,000. And area natin is 0.5 inches squared. So, ang stress natin is sigma is equal to force over A. Yan. P over A siya, pero parehas lang naman, force. So, wait, sulat ka lang maayos. So, that is 12,000 all over 0.5 inches squared. So, kung i-input natin sa calculator, that would be 24,000 lb per inches squared. Or pwede natin itong gawin, i-convert natin sa KSI, which is kilopounds per inches squared, that is 24 KSI. So, yan yung stress natin for steel. So, ano tayo? Move on tayo sa aluminum section. So, this is our aluminum. Then, sa right natin, ang forces natin sa right is same lang. P plus 3P, that is 4P to the right. 4P. Then, sa left naman is 4P din. So, kagaya ng steel, ang force na nag-a-apply sa aluminum is 4 times 3,000 is equal to 12,000. Then, A natin is equal to 0.5 inches squared. So, O aluminum is equal to F over A, which is just 12,000 all over 0.5 inches squared. So, masasabi natin na same lang, 24,000 pounds per inches squared, or we can convert this to 24 kilopounds per inches squared. So, KSI. So, yan yung force ay yung stress sa aluminum. So, move on tayo sa bronze section. So, sa bronze is, papansin natin yung, yung force sa left niya is 4P, ay sorry, wait lang. 4P minus, negative 4P plus P, so that is negative 4P plus P, that is negative 3P. So, papunta siya sa left. This is 3P to the left. Then, yung remaining dito is 3P to the right. So, 3P tension. So, force natin is 3 times P natin is 3,000 pounds. That is 9,000 pounds. So, ang area din natin is given na 0.5 inches squared. So, ang stress natin is F over A, 9,000 all over 0.5 inches squared. So, that would be 18,000 pounds per inches squared, or 18 kilopounds per inches squared. So, yan yung stress natin sa bronze. So, yan, nasolve natin lahat ng, ng stress sa each section, which is sa steel, 24 KSI, sa aluminum, 24 KSI din, and then sa bronze is 18 KSI.